you guys how to make a TNT gun. This is so easy and so fun to watch, and it's so funny when you're going to play with it. You can, So you need is the old thing that I have my inventory. You need TNT, but we're going to get that later. You need bedrock, so it's strong. Here you need 4 tall blocks. And then put a dispenser in there. This is my own work, guys. I did not see this on internet. And just put water on the side, on the front, and the side again. And then put bedrock in here again, like any long you want. Put lever in here. Click the comparator and do the pattern that I'm going to do. Just like that. And then sneak or crouch and put the redstone at the top of the dispenser. Now we're done. We're just going to need to put our TNT on the dispenser. Why is it clicking? I think I need to buy it. So let's just put a 64 TNT here. There we go. Another. There we go. And then guys, after you already do that, just put a more water bucket on here, like on here in the side. So make it some more. Sorry guys, there's like funny thing in here. So just after that, you're going to put some more water on the side, but not like this floating on the side. Wait, I think I needed to go this out. Yeah, like that, and do it again. And then we're ready to fire. Let's just put this out there. There it goes. This is so fun, guys. See? Wait, let's see it. It's floating. It's so fun. See? It's so good. And it can also break your place on the ground. So that's it. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So please like for more video. Please subscribe for more videos like this, and also like to my channel. Goodbye.